Now, imagine driving a car at highway speeds, but your windshield only shows you where you were yesterday. That is how many corporate finance teams operate when making high-stakes liquidity decisions. The traditional cash management workflow is built around a significant time lag. Teams rely on batch-processed end-of-day data to determine exactly how much cash they hold across various accounts. Bridging this gap usually involves heavy operational friction. Finance teams often have to call in technical IT resources to build custom connections, or they spend hours manually remapping spreadsheet data just to see their current standing. Operating with this delay creates two specific blind spots. It traps usable liquidity in unverified accounts, and it increases the risk of late payments to crucial vendors. This gap is closed by the API integration between Treasury and PNC Bank. It is a direct connection built to remove technical barriers and deliver instantaneous financial visibility. Having your true cash position updated throughout the day changes the role of a Treasury department. They stop performing reactive bookkeeping and start driving proactive financial strategy. Connecting these systems does not require a team of developers. It is a self-service setup that finance teams can complete in just 3 steps. The process begins in the Treasury dashboard. A client initiates an account information request. The API securely transmits that request to PNC Bank's servers in seconds. PNC retrieves current balances and transaction data, immediately pushing it back to the client. Because this data feed automatically leverages existing user transaction codes for BAI2 and CAMT reporting formats, it is instantly readable by the platform. By automating this continuous loop, finance teams no longer need to manually remap a cash position worksheet or forecast. The reconciliation happens automatically in the background. Real-time data is only half the equation. The same infrastructure allows teams to take immediate action on outbound vendor payments. Instead of logging into separate banking portals, every payment request starts right here, within Treasury's dedicated payment module. From this hub, instructions route through PNC's specific payment networks, including automated clearinghouse transfer, standard wire, or the real-time payments network. Because immediate payment types like RTP operate 24/7, 365, businesses can send and receive funds instantly, even outside of traditional banking hours. Once the transaction is processed, the system provides a real-time status and audit report directly back to the Treasury platform. Embedding both the execution and the tracking inside a single platform creates a consolidated audit framework. Your team sees exactly where the money is the moment it moves. When you combine inbound real-time data feeds with outbound instant payments, the daily workflow of a finance team shifts. The hours spent matching transactions across dozens of screens are replaced by automated reporting, all managed from a single interface. Reporting is no longer tied to fixed end-of-month cycles. Teams can run insights on demand or schedule reports so the information is ready for them at the start of each day. This visualization represents the result: granular control over your organization's cash flow. Liquidity decisions are based on the realities of this exact minute, not the close of yesterday's business. This speed directly reduces your risk profile. You can mitigate late vendor payments and improve business relationships because capital moves exactly when it is intended to. Treasury and PNC Bank provide financial leaders with the clarity to act decisively. Contact your PNC sales team or visit gtreasury.com to begin the transition.